Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, this drink will be going out for all of the ladies who want to be 12 to 16. Or sometimes I say 12 or 14 or size 8. But anyway, I do a research on this drink, and honestly, I do the research and I drink it myself. I make it's a smoothie. I make it myself, and it was fantastic. All right, but I'm gonna make it for the ladies. All right, I want the ladies them to be healthy. Look after yourself, get ready for summer. And I mean, summer coming up very soon. We're coming up to spring now, but summer is coming very soon also. All right. So first of all, I want to get it plain and straight. Yeah. This drink going out for the ladies. If men want to make it, they can make it too. But you know what I mean. This is for the ladies and for them to lose weight, be healthy. I get a lot of requests for this kind of drink, and I'm definitely gonna make this one. This one gonna be a smoothie drink. Very, very fantastic drink. Honestly, guys, you will. And I'm gonna make it very easy. That's you guys can make it at home. Get the flavor, get the taste in it, and all these things. So I'm gonna go straight into it. What I'm gonna do, please follow the instruction of this video and make it at home. All right. First of all, you're gonna be needing honey, spinach, and also some apple cider vinegar, lemon, and ginger, and water. That's it. And make this drink at home. You're gonna be drinking it for 5 mornings, 1 week straight. From Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days. Drink this for 7 days in the morning before you eat breakfast. But if you want to do this one, remember, I want to say to you guys, please do not eat anything. You need to eat healthy. You need to, you know what I mean? If you're going to eat breakfast in the morning, try and eat something really healthy. You know what I mean? Nowadays, so we must eat at least 10 fruits and veg for the day. A lot of people not doing that. But then a lot of people doesn't know that these things do count up, you know what I mean? Too much meat, too much chicken, too much, you know what I mean? Sometimes you need to eat a lot of veg and a lot of fruits, almond, which is very important. A lot of people forget about almond, but I'm getting this plain and straight for the ladies because I'm going to make a very important drinks for size 12 and size 8, 12 and 16. 7 days drink is gonna be a bomb, this drink. So guys, anyway, I'm not going to be going too much details into it because I'm going to make it and you're going to follow my ingredients, my instruction, and you make it at home. Do it for 7 days. First of all, you can drink 1 in the morning before you go to work and before you eat your breakfast. Drink it on an empty stomach. Second thing, you need to drink 1 in the evening before you go to bed. That's what's going to be working inside of you. Honestly, the reason why the apple cider vinegar want to help you, and also the ginger going to help you, and also the lemon going to help you. All of these ingredients, it is natural ingredients. All right. So this is how we're going to make this lovely drink, and this is going to go for the ladies. So please subscribe and at least 500 likes, 500 comments, and this one gonna be size 8, 12 to 16. All right. So guys, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video, share the video, and tell a friend. And our friends tell a friend. For the ladies, you know what I mean. I get the request for it, so I definitely want to make it. So you know what I mean. The person requests, I said to me, Chef Ricardo, can you make like a smoothie because I can't manage the upper side of vinegar by just drinking it to water and all these things. But anyway, it's weight, you know what I mean. A lot of people want to be healthy, want to be losing weight, just like, you know what I mean. As I say, I'm a chef who always try to reach out to all of my fans and everyone who I can reach. I will definitely reach to them. So basically, I'm going to be explaining the things which I'm going to be using here now. So as you can see, this is my Ninja. I'm using the Ninja blender. I don't know if you have one. If you have a blender, that's fine. I just wash off some spinach because it's going to be greeny up. All right. Basically, you can put celery and cucumber also inside of it, but I didn't have nothing like that, so I'm just gonna be using what I have. All right. So basically, so you got some spinach at your house, you know what I mean. You didn't have time to go to the shop. Wash off the spinach. Put a nice, lovely handful of the spinach down inside of a Ninja blender like this. Nice, good and full. As you can see, exactly what is taking place right here, sir. Alright. Next thing what we're going to do, I have one green apple. Remove the skin from the apple. Alright. Remove the skin from the apple. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm peeling the apple. And then simple cut it up with the seed inside of it. Don't get rid of the seed. Use the seed. Nice one. So that's the apple. Then we're gonna get a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. Nice, lovely chunk piece of a ginger. Remove the skin from the ginger. Cut it up very small. Lemon. If you don't got if you have lime, that's fine. Use what you have. Don't worry yourself. Squeeze half of a lime inside of it. Nice one. I don't want to get the seed inside of the lime in it. So basically, that's removing the seed. The apple cider vinegar, if you notice, it's thicker. You have to give it a good shake. Proper shake. Alright? Then use the cork and measure it. 1 cork shot of the apple cider vinegar inside of it. Alright? When you buy the apple cider vinegar, make sure you get the one that said Mothers. That's the original one with this green, this yellow label and that red piece around it. This is the original one. And it said original raw apple cider vinegar. That's the best one to use, guys. Alright. Then when you're gonna buy your honey, please do not buy the one with the sugar, because that one is not good for you to lose weight or to be size 12, 8 or 16. We're gonna put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Then we're gonna put some ice. Alright. Normally some people catch water at the top. Don't use the top water. Make sure you get a bottle of water. Make sure you get the one, the raw water. That means the original water. That's what you want to get. You don't just go to the shop and buy any water. Please read the instruction on the water. Is very important. Unless you're gonna boil some water in a kettle and cool it down and use that one. So I'm gonna be using the water from the bottle. Alright? And I'm gonna put roughly about half of it in it, or about quarter. Lovely. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be covering it and I'm going to be blending this for about 4 to 5 seconds, about 4 seconds the least. If you have a good Ninja blender, you'll be alright. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending it, and basically as you can see, I'm just gonna remove it. Nice one. And then we're gonna get our glass and pour it in like this. Alright, lovely and nice. Basically, you know what I mean, as I said, this is for the ladies, them, and I want the ladies to drink this. And then I want to introduce something to the ladies, and also because a lot of ladies want to lose weight, they want to be healthy, and you know what I mean, they want to be in that shape. Well, you have a thing named almond, very important. So basically what you can do is get almond. I'm gonna show you. Let's get apples. Because if the ladies are gonna be drinking this drink for 7 morning, or you know what I mean, 1 at night before you go to your bed, basically you're going to need to do this. Very important. This is the apple cider vinegar, as I said before. I got some almond, apple. So basically this is for your breakfast in the morning. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 almond, and you can eat 1 apple or 2 apples in the morning and drink a glass of smoothie like this one. So basically I do the research on that one, and where I recognize that the almond and the healthy juice, which is gonna be filling me up, and you know what I mean, the apple cider vinegar, which inside of it gonna be helping you to lose weight and give it that perfect shape. And honestly guys, this works. Honestly, it works, because I do the research, and when I do the research, I saw a lot of ladies been using this one, and also someone requested me to it, because a lot of people know me make a lot of smoothie, so they request me and say I should do this one for the ladies then. So anyway, this is for the ladies, size 8, 12 to 16. This is a smoothie drink, losing weight, you know what I mean, get rid of that tie everything. And as I said, the apple cider vinegar, which is going to be doing the work, which is inside of it, because a lot of people cannot drink the apple cider vinegar with the lemon and water. So basically what they are saying, that you can make it into a smoothie and drink it, and it do works also. Thank you so much for watching the show, and you know what I mean, please subscribe, like and share. It is amazing to know what you can do in the kitchen when you are cooking. My name is Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and stay tuned.